Affiliate marketing for dummies, step by step, coming right up. If this is your first time coming across my YouTube channel, my name is Darius McKinney, and in this YouTube video, we're going to talk about affiliate marketing for dummies step by step. And also, if you're new to affiliate marketing, make sure you grab my affiliate marketing ebook. It will be the first link there. It will teach you how to get started from A to Z and all the ins and outs you need to know for a new affiliate marketer. So make sure you grab the first link in my description. And the benefits of watching this video to the end is you learn how to do affiliate marketing step by step and all the ins and outs you need to know as a beginner affiliate marketer. So let's jump into today's content. Now you might be asking, what is affiliate marketing? So basically, affiliate marketing is basically you get simply paid to refer people to products and services. So for example, you do it every single day. So you probably don't even know it yourself. But for example, so let's say your friend wants to go to like New Mexico for a vacation trip or something. So you might give them like a review or something, the like what to avoid and what stuff you should look out for and all stuff for to New Mexico. That's basically you're referring them to a product or services, um, so they can use to know what to do when they go to New Mexico. So that's basically what you're doing with affiliate market. So basically, with affiliate market, you're just promoting different products and services for people to solve their problems. So basically, if a customer or person have a problem, you're solving them with your affiliate offer. So you're basically just promoting it to them, and then once they buy, you get a commission. So that's basically the essence of affiliate marketing. So it's very simple and easy to concept. So there's basically a three simple process I like to keep in mind. So the three simple process I like to keep in mind is basically you join, you promote, and you earn. So basically, what I mean by join, the first step is basically you join an affiliate program or affiliate network. So you might be asking, what is that? So affiliate program or affiliate network is basically the same thing, which is basically a marketplace where you get affiliate offers or affiliate products to promote as an affiliate marketer, and then you start promoting it on either social media or your email marketing list or anything like that. But that's more advanced stuff. But let's keep in mind the three basic simple steps. So basically, we covered the join part. So the second part is basically you promote. So when you promote it, you can promote it on like a social media platform or like for example like YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, or anything like that, or just straightly direct it to your friend on like a message or something. And once they click it and they buy it, that you get a commission. So that leads to the third part, which is earn. So basically, that's the essence of affiliate marketing. So when you have that in mind, once you have that in mind, you're basically in essence the middleman or the connector. So the reason why I like to name it you're the connector is because there's like a bridge, and I'm gonna show you in later in this video, but I'm gonna show you the layout of affiliate market how I like to think of it. So basically, you have on one end you have the customer, and the next end you have the offer. Now now how are we gonna connect them two together? So basically, you're gonna connect them to which from your content and then your trustability and your likability, and then they start to get to know you, and then once they you have all them three, so KLT, so which that stands for know, like, and trust. Then once you have that for your customer, then they're gonna go through the bridge, and then they're gonna buy your offer or your product or your service. So that's basically how I like to think of. So you got the customer on one end, and then you got the offer on one end, and you got to bridge the gap between the two to make them buy in the buying process. So basically, that's how they're gonna buy. So you're the connector and to solve their problem to buy the offer. So basically, when you know the overview of how affiliate marketing works, then we can go into practical steps at how to do affiliate marketing. So basically, the first step is basically you need to pick a niche. So basically, a niche is something you're basically passionate about or you have a hobby for, and you like to monetize that with making money. Um, so basically, there's three broad niches I like to go with. So either make money online, health, or romance. So basically, as you can see right now, I'm giving you two examples which you can do. So basically, you got the health niche, and then you can break that more down into fitness, and then you can break that more down into fitness for men. So you might be asking why you breaking it more down, because if you break it more down, the more niche down you are, the more you likely to make money. Because if you're too broad of a niche, then everybody's marketing to that niche. It's like a red ocean. So basically, you want to market to a blue ocean, which you can start making more money, which nobody's really in, and have less competition because you're new online. So you need to start making money. So basically, you want to market in a blue niche that's more niche down. And so basically, fitness for men, you can even break that more down to like fitness for men for like between the ages of 60 and 65 years old. So same thing with romance. So the second example I'm going to give you. So basically, you got romance, the broad niche of love, and then you can break that more down to like dating or relationship, and then you can break that more down to dating and relationship for men or women. So and then you can break that more down into dating and relationship for men between the ages of like 20 or 30. So as you can see, the more niche you are, the more target audience you have for your niche, then the more money you're gonna make because people are the less amount of people are in that niche, which quote unquote like the big fish or the little fish. So the big niche, the big fish is basically is where you have a it's basically like the broad niche like romance, and then the smaller you get, the smaller fish you get. So that's basically how you're gonna make your money. So the more niche you are, the more money you're gonna make. Okay, so now that we know our niche, we need to have an audience. So basically, you can build an audience or several different platforms. So my recommended platform for new people for beginner is basically YouTube. Now you might think, okay, so why you pick YouTube out of all the platforms out there? Because one is search engine optimization, which people are constantly looking at different keywords, which quote unquote is their problems, and then you can solve their problems with your offer, or you give them free value, and then you click the emails and start selling them in your back end of your business. So basically, it's a slower process, but it's the most effective for long term business because if you try to do like Instagram, Facebook, or anything like that, it's not search engine optimization. People are not looking. I mean, even though they have a keyword, I mean, the search bar on Instagram, but it's not really like searchable like that because if you type in somebody's name or like a keyword like affiliate marketing, you're not gonna see different like keywords after that to start ranking for it and stuff like that. So that's why I recommend YouTube for beginners. So once you pick your platform, you want to stick with that one platform at a time because then you can start people can like and trust you, and then you can start promoting different offers to them. So example of different platforms you can choose is basically what I just said. So like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Quora, anything like that, or a blog, or anything like that. So once you have that, then the reason why I put this last thing here is basically because if you don't have no audience, you have no money. Because audience equals money, and money equals traffic. So basically, all traffic, money, and the audience are all tied together. So without one of them two, then your business is going to go out of whack. Okay, so now that you understand affiliate marketing step by step, now I'm gonna show you a basic overview of how affiliate marketing look on the visual board on my whiteboard. So basically, you got two type of people that are in affiliate marketing. So you got the rookies. I mean, yeah, you got the rookies, which are quote unquote the newbies, and then you got the kings of affiliate marketing, which is called the super affiliate. So basically, the first way I'm gonna show you is basically the rookies. So basically, as you can see, they have the rookie way has traffic and the audience, right? And then they send them straight to the affiliate offer and then make little to no money. So you might be asking why they make little to no money. Because first of all, when you're a newbie in affiliate marketing, you expect everything to come quick and fast. So that's basically the mistake I had made. So basically, I was expecting, okay, like I was new to this. I was like, okay, maybe I can make money fast and quit my job, whatever, this and that. So I thought that, and then I was like, oh shoot, I'm not making money for this month and next month to come. So basically, you want to build an audience for the long term business. So this is not a get rich quick scheme. So basically, this is an actual legit business you can do long term and quit your job and do forever for the rest of your life. So basically, so the first way is like the rookie way. You can make money now. You can Don't get me wrong. Now you can make money doing this, but it's not really long term and sustainable to do each every month to come. So basically, I recommend you do the other way. So basically, this is a super affiliate way. So basically, I just put in quote unquote the same thing, the audience and traffic source, whatever you're using. And then once you have your traffic source and your audience, now you're going to collect leads, which is basically what leads is basically you're collecting people for your email marketing list, and basically you're going to follow up with them. So that's basically leads to the third step. So basically, once you have your traffic source, you send them to your email list, and then you're going to follow up with them, and then that's where you're going to make the big money in the back end of your business. So once you start following up with them on a consistent basis, so like basically like 5 or 7 times a week, then you're gonna start making sales. That's where the big money comes in. You don't see this on publicly, but you don't see this publicly, but people, this is how the money is made. You People make money in the back end of their business. So basically that's the two sides. So basically, um there's the rookie way is basically you send them straight to the offer and you make little to no sales, and the super affiliate way is you basically capture people emails and you follow up with them, and then you start making big sales. So this last part down here at the bottom, this is basically the diagram of how affiliate marketing is proven to work. So basically, Like I said, previous of this video, I'm gonna show you the diagram of it. So this is basically the diagram of it. So basically, on one end you got the customer right here, and then the other end you got the offer, right? So this is basically, I basically just put a bridge right here, example bridge right here, and so this is basically us, the affiliate marketers. So basically, we have to connect their problems with the offer we're trying to promote. So basically, like I said, you got the customer on one end, you got the offer on one end. So basically, you're gonna bridge the gap basically with content, and basically build it with KLT, which stands for know, like, and trust. And so once you start doing that, they're gonna slowly come across this bridge, and then once they come on this part, they're gonna buy your affiliate offer. So basically, that's the essence of affiliate marketing. If you found this YouTube video very helpful, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and you turn on post notification. Also, make sure you smash that like button and comment on this video because it gives me feedback if I should post more content around this topic. So make sure you go do that, and I will see you next time when I post YouTube videos on this channel.